Alright, Dave here. This is how I made the gear wheels, just to make it for you. There's one of the gear wheels I've made, and there it goes in there, and you can see how they mesh. Not bad. That's made on this. There's the hob that I used to cut them. Look, can I show you? There you are. You can see that's a hob that I made to cut the gear wheels. This one I'm fly cutting. Right, so we'll just start. This is just to show you an easy way of making a gear wheel. Nothing complicated and nothing expensive. This fixture's just got two bearings, shaft through the middle and the index in the other side. And you'll love it when you see what I'm using to index on. It's just a plastic gear wheel, doesn't matter what gear wheel you use. But this is a copier. So I've made a copier that'll copy any gear wheel. Doesn't matter what it is, as long as it fits in here, it'll do it. And it will do up to 125 mil, because I just slide that through so the gear wheel hangs over the end of the vise. So I'll get a 127 mil, 127 teeth. And that's all there is really. I'm just showing you how I'm cutting it. Slowly work your way around the gear wheel. It's not fast, but at the end of the day, if you're stuck and you can't buy a gear wheel the ones you want, and you've got to make one, this is just one of the easiest ways, just the easiest way of making a gear wheel. Right, the other thing is that you need to be able to do is to cut the piece of tool steel to obviously the right angles, which in this case is a 60-degree gear wheel. So that's a 60-degree pitch. Nothing really complicated. A lot of people think that gear wheels, making a gear wheel is complicated. And it's not really, if you do it my way. My way is a really simple way. My way is a really simple way of making a gear wheel. Right, what you've got to be able to do is to grind that there, which is 60 degrees. And that's really all I've done. It did take a long time to grind the tool. That was the difficult part, getting that right. But I have got a tool grinder which I built 10 years ago. So you can do it without the tool grinder, you can do that by hand. Some of that I've done with a little Dremel drill, so give you some sort of idea what you can do. And then you can see the gear wheels starting to take shape. This is just the first cut. Obviously we've got to go around 2 or 3 times to get the right depth. But that's it really. It's quite simple. I'll give you a shot of the other side in a minute, just to show you how I'm indexing it. Right, what I did is I'll come around the other side now and I'll show you the indexing. Right, we're coming round. Excuse the camera wobbling because I'm coming round to the far side of the machine. Right, there we are. Let's get it right. Find it. There we are. Right. Now you can see on the machine that's just a plastic gear wheel, but that was the right for what I wanted. Right, then what I did is this piece here, that's the mark pointer, but it's spring loaded, look. So there's a big spring in there, and that allows you to pull it in and out to get what you want. So it allows you to go to the next one, but it also comes right back so you can put a bigger gear wheel in. But there's just a spring in there. That's all I've made, and it's that simple really. It's not difficult. Let's come around there a bit more. Let's go around a bit more so I can get in the right spot for you. The answer is no. I can't get it. There we go. That's what we want. There. Right. Come back a bit of focus. There we are. Right. Now you can see all that does is go in there. You turn that one tooth at a time, which gives you on the other side, and it copies it exactly. What I did on some of them to make it really easy, I wanted a different size gear wheel. So what I did is I used this particular gear wheel and this gear wheel, and what I did is I went in between. So I missed every tooth to get this particular gear wheel. So that was what I did, is I missed a tooth to get that one at the smaller size. And to calculate that, what you do is you take the measurement, the diameter, and then you have to add 2 to it. Any figure that you do, you add 2, because the dimension of a gear wheel is from the centre part of there, which is halfway down that tooth. If I put it there, right. When you do it, halfway down that tooth is the point of what the actual measurement is. But to get the blank size, you have to multiply 2. So that gives you the outside diameter to cut the blank. And that's what I did for the other one. It's not really difficult once you've done that, and you don't have to be that accurate on the blank. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit big or even a slight shade small. All it does is just changes the teeth measurement. But you can do that, you can calculate all these things from the books. You can work out the diametral pitch, which is a number of teeth given to the inch, and that's what the diametral pitch is. So how many teeth go to an inch? And that's really all you need to know. But you don't need to do any of that. All you need to know is how to copy it, and that's what this is all about. This video is about copying a gear wheel, and that's the one I've used. I've used a plastic one, so it's to prove a point. So you can use a steel one or a plastic one, and a good source of cogs is off of your lathe. So if you've got a problem, just get a couple of gear wheels off the lathe to get the ones you want, and make a fixture like this. This is quite simple to do. That's all I can say really. It is that simple. So there we are, and that's the gear wheel starting to be cut. And once you can grind that tool right, you will crack it. It's not difficult. This is gear cutting made easy. Well, easier. This is Dave signing off. Catch you later. Don't forget the bits at the bottom. Thumbs up, thumbs down, or subscribe if you want to. I can do no more than that. That's how I'm making them, and I hope that helps you make your own gear wheels and make a copy like I've made. Catch you later.